Heading to the field. And away we go. Getting off to a little bit of a late start today. It's almost 3 in the afternoon. It's just been too wet. And that right there is the field I'm gonna be in. It's not any too dry. But we're afraid if we don't get planted now, it may be June till we get all the beans in. We can get done what we need to get done in a couple of days, but it's supposed to rain again, possibly even tonight, and sounds like a real good chance tomorrow night and pretty much all next week. So I'll go get in my ride and we'll get going. Made it. I'm just going to park this right over here next to the building. And we'll get going. Well, taking it easy, just going down the road here, let the tractor get warmed up. Pretty nice day out here in central Iowa. Corn's coming up. Temperature right now is 76 or 78, I don't remember. Feels pretty darn warm though, and it's supposed to be 90 tomorrow. So we'll be going for sure tomorrow, as long as it doesn't rain tonight. There is a slight chance of rain tonight, and if we get much rain at all, we won't be going tomorrow. So I've gone around the field, not around the whole field once, and I did this headland back here. Just got done doing that. Now I got my angle set and making our first pass through the field, which looks like I'm going to come up on an intake up there, which you probably can't see, but yeah, I might miss it, not sure. Well, I think I'm going to slide right on by that. Plenty of room to spare, I believe. In a video I did, I don't know, I think it was a couple years ago, somebody commented on that intake right there, in fact. They were asking if it was a fire hydrant. No, it's not a fire hydrant. There's tile in most of these fields, and that's an intake where water can go down into the tile. There's another one, I think it's behind that hill there. And then I think there's one right over there too. Yeah, you probably can't see it. There's a little orange sticking up over there. I can see it, but probably not picking it up on the camera. So this is going pretty good actually. Dad's gonna be bringing the planter out here shortly. I just got this corner filled in. Not gonna take too terribly long to do this. He has to come over here. He's got enough in his planter. I think he said to do about 50 acres. And then he's gonna have to run back home with the planter and fill again. And then come back over and finish. Probably gonna take him about 3 hours to do this. I think there's almost 80 acres here, like 70, I think there's 77 or 78, something like that. And with that new planter, he can plant, he plants about 30 acres an hour. Our other rig, I can't see it now, it's right over in that area. I saw the field cultivator over there, but the other planter will be going over there shortly. So not sure if he's gonna do anything else after this or not. It'll be so close to 7:30 by the time he finishes this field up. I don't know if he's gonna want to go anywhere else or not. Don't want to work a bunch of ground up either if it's going to get rained on. Anyway, just going back and forth. Back and forth. And there's Dad pulling the planter, just pulling into the field. He'll get that unfolded and get rolling. Well, we've just about got this field wrapped up as far as getting the field cultivating done. Just this little bit of this corner left to do. Still don't know if we're going anywhere else. I gotta get on the radio here and talk to Dad, see what he wants to do. Well, I guess I'm going down to another farm. Now it's, I don't know, 4 or 5 miles off that way. Don't know if I'm going to do the whole thing tonight or not, don't need to, but I'm going to do some of it. And then it'll probably rain. Well, got in the field, got this sucker unfolded, and away we go. Rolling right along here. I've got my corner filled in. Headland done on that end and on the other end. You probably can't see it. The fence goes over to about here and then it jogs off that way. I haven't gone down and done that headland over there, but for what I'm going to do today, I got the headland done. Basically, I'm going to do this field and work it over to right there, the old building site. A little ways over there, gonna take a little while, but not too bad. You roll right across the field, it won't take too long. Well, I got over to that old building site, and that's all the farther I'm gonna work ahead of the planter tonight, just in case it does rain. Well, it is the next day. Another one of those pesky fire hydrants. Anyway, got done in that field that I was in yesterday, finished that up this morning, didn't record anything. And now in a different field, just got my corner all filled in, and I actually used to live right there. It's a modular home, and I put that there, man, 20 some years ago. And then circumstances change, and I moved into the house where I live now. Didn't really live here all that long. 6 years or so. It is one heck of a nice garage though. That's what you're looking at right now. The house is blocked by all the trees. Anyway, just going back and forth. Stretch. This is the last field I'm going to be doing, and I think the other fuel cultivator is already out of the field, but this will be the last field I'm doing here. Just got my angle started. Should only take a couple more hours and be done. Be about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then I have to go get more seed for the planter and mess around doing that kind of stuff. So yeah, it'll end up taking good part of the afternoon anyway. But I think we're gonna beat the rain and get all our beans in, so everything will be planted today. Well, I got done with that field, didn't record much there. Taking this home now, and then gotta go get the seed tender, go get some seed, and take that to the planter. Well guys, I just got out of the field a little bit ago. It is going on 5 o'clock, and I believe they're about done planting as well. So I came down here to the shop. It's 95 degrees out, guys. That's what my thermometer says. Kind of a sudden change. Probably picking up some wind noise on the camera too, but yeah, it's rather warm. I gotta stick around. Make sure that don't need to take some a bag or 2 or 3 of beans out to the planter. And then I think I may have an adult beverage or 2. Hi, kitty. Anyway, get back to work on the Bronco since planting is all done. I'm gonna get the painting on the Bronco. Problem is, if it rains, number 1, the humidity is gonna be way up. And 2, this roof has some leaks in it out here and it drips down on, so can't do that. Surely here though, in the next few days, we'll get temperatures that are warm enough and enough time without rain, and we're supposed to have rain like every day and night for the next week. So it's a good thing we got everything planted, or it might be June till we got back in the field. Well, I just got an alert on my phone. It says we're in a severe thunderstorm warning until, I don't know, half hour from now or something like that. Off this way, and that's where stuff's coming from. They say there's wind and hail and all kinds of crap coming. I don't know, it's been rumbling, I know that. And we'll see how it goes here. That's Iowa. Anyway, I'm gonna call it on this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.